Hello guys, welcome to Enter Vlogs. I'm Anton and this is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave your comments. From last video I did Mall of Emirates, the second biggest mall. But today I am in over 1000 retail shops, the world biggest mall in Dubai, the Dubai Mall. Let's go. Right, now I came to Dubai fountain area because I want to share some information even we don't know. I found some information from Dubai Mall website. According to the Dubai Mall website, the world's most largest and most visited retail and entertainment destination, which welcomes more than 80 million visitors. 5.9 million square feet. The Dubai Mall has 3.77 million square feet of gross space, over 1300 retail outlets including 2 department stores, and there are more information, and over 200 food and beverage outlets. They have underwater zoo and Dubai Aquarium. Dubai Aquarium, according to internet, Dubai Aquarium is the world's biggest aquarium. They have like more than 200 varieties of fish, different type turtles, different types of shells. They have seashells, and they have thousands of underwater zoo. They have entertainment areas. I think that's enough for now. If you want to know, you can check the Dubai Mall website. Actually, this is not sponsored. I'm just sharing some information, that's it. So I hope, actually today is this is summertime, it's very hot, so you can feel they're sweating. So this is the area you can find all buildings, the fountain area. You can see that is Burj Khalifa. Right, now I'll show you really strange thing. That is, inside the souk you will find giant dinosaur. Let me show you. Right, thank you everyone for watching my videos. Now I'll stop here. Now I'm in Apple Store. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and the vlogs, and don't forget to leave your comments here. And I would like to thank the person who will inspire me, passidu. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Don't forget to subscribe his Instagram. I'll put his link below. I hope you guys enjoy. Ciao. See you on next video. Bye.